Okay, this is an update video on where things are at. Now, it's been a while since I've provided an update. I've been back in Australia since, 2023, April 2023. And it's unfortunate I haven't been in Thailand in 2023, or in later 2023, or here in 2024. And I'd really love to be in Thailand and continuing my work with BTCPay Server in the red light district in Pattaya. But what has happened here has been it's caused significant disruption to my life. So what happened was, I got back from Thailand, and when I was in Thailand, I got a message from my mother stating that one of the family's investment properties, my late grandmother's property, is in a state of very bad disrepair, to the point where the tenant is moving out. It's an elderly tenant, and she was moving out for other reasons, but the fact that she was moving out necessitated family moving in and fixing the place up, or it would have to be sold. So in order to keep the property in the family, and again, given it was my late grandmother's home for over 50 years, the home has got a great deal of sentimental value to the family. So I came back from Thailand and I started construction work with my brother, my younger brother Cameron. And we fixed the place up. It cost us a lot of time. It took 9 months. 9 months. It took us quite a bit of money, getting up to almost $100,000 Australian. But we got it to the stage where it's fantastic, it's beautiful, it's great. Got it rented out, got a happy tenant in there, new tenant paying a higher rate of rent, and that's gone extremely well. So we finished that work in around late November, early December of 2023. Then I started work on another family property, which is part of my late father's estate, which is located next door to my late grandmother's property. Wasn't a whole lot of work to do on that. There was a bit, but there was enough for me to finish that off myself in about a month, which is great. So, I finished that off around December and January. December of 2023, January 2024. That all went well. Here's the problem, and here's the reason why I haven't been back to Thailand. During the renovation, I tore my meniscus in my right knee. The renovation involved a whole lot of re-stumping work. Had to dig out existing rotted stumps, replace it with new stumps, new metal adjustable stumps. It was a complete nightmare. And one of the days I felt my knee in great pain. I thought, should be alright by tomorrow. Next day came, it wasn't alright. Struggled through the renovation in pain, and it just did not heal. So I've been walking around and doing renovations and all this stuff on a torn meniscus, and it's been this way for about a year now. I've had an MRI scan, I've had an x-ray, I've seen a doctor, another doctor, and I'm seeing a specialist in 3 weeks' time. The specialist, I'm certain, 100% certain, will recommend surgery. Depending on what kind of surgery it is, it's either a meniscus reduction surgery, which is where they cut out the section that's torn, or it'll be a meniscus repair, depending on what type of surgery I obtain, will determine how long it takes for me to recover. So I've got to schedule that surgery. I've got to get that done. That will probably, that won't take place until, I'd say, at least late 2024. I think it would be lucky if I was able to get back to my previous state of fitness by early 2025. And at this stage, I'm looking at getting back to Thailand to continue my work on BTCPay Server in Soi 6 in around about April or May of 2025. I tell you, I did not expect that this would go on, that I would tear my meniscus to this extent. And there's no way I'm going back to Thailand with a torn meniscus. I'm not going to do it, right? My health is too important. I've gained a lot of weight, which I need to lose. I don't want to go back to Thailand with a torn meniscus. I don't want to go back to Thailand overweight, which is what I am now. So I need to do rehab on the knee once I've had the surgery, and then I need to lose some weight. That will come from a lot of running, because I've been pretty much immobile since the renovation, since the end of the renovation, which has been a long time. What, 6 months? Yeah. It's been really unfortunate. So I'll go back to Thailand once I've got my fitness back and once my knee's fixed, and I'll continue my work in Thailand then. So yeah, I'm hoping for 2025 in April, and that's where we're at the moment. That's where we're at. Rightio.